So, as you've already seen, I have changed into a workout outfit because whenever I put on workout clothes, I feel more motivated to go and actually get my workouts done. So I do have a Pilates class scheduled today at 3:30 with Karis, so that's great. That's locked in. But in the meantime, I have some things I want to get done. We are taking back control today, getting my life back on track. Now, I just got back from vacation. I'm about to go on vacation again. So, I was thinking maybe this will be like a little series of getting your life back on track, exiting your lazy girl era. For today, I am going to brew myself a cup of coffee, get some dishes done, do some organizing, some picking up, and I'm going to read a book. What better way to exit my lazy girl era than to read a self-development book? So I decided to grab this book. I just feel like it's the perfect topic for what this video is about anyway. So what better way to exit my lazy girl era and build better habits than reading a book about the 7 habits of highly effective people. It's currently pouring outside right now. It's nice when you're reading a book. One of the things I was planning on talking about in this video with regards to getting your life back on track, exiting your lazy girl era, is reaching out to at least 1 or 2 loved ones every day. As I'm reading this book, literally talks about how human nature is 4-dimensional. So it's gonna be your heart, your mind, your body, your spirit. So I want you to think about when there's people on their deathbeds, what are they more concerned about? Are they saying, oh, I wish I spent more time in the office watching TV? That's never what it is. They think about their loved ones. They think about the people who were nearest and dearest to their hearts. Whether you have a big or a small family, it doesn't have to be your blood. It could be people who are close, loved friends who have become like family. It could be people who you feel care about you. It could be people who you care about, who you've met recently. It could be anybody, just someone who you feel a connection with. Develop your personal connections, develop your friendships, your relationships. So yeah. Solid core class was a success. We'll put a check mark in that box. We'll put a check mark in the box of reading for today. I read 20 pages of my book. So one of the habits I want to talk about in regards to exiting your lazy girl era is focusing on movement. Let's just talk about the physical aspect of it for a second. When you exercise and move your body, you're improving your cardiovascular health, your strength, your ability to move throughout your life, your longevity. So obviously, there's physical benefits to moving your body. Whenever you're having a lot of anxiety or you're feeling depressed, whether you're feeling very, very stressed out, overwhelmed, moving your body is not just a physical benefit for how you look, but it's literally a mental benefit. You're reducing your anxiety, you're reducing your stress, you're reducing possibilities for depression. I got back from vacation and I had, let's call it post-vacation depression. I was just like, I just want to be back traveling the world. I don't want to work. And I got into a bit of a slump when I got back. I was like, yeah, I'm going to get back from vacation. I'm going to get back into a routine. It'll be great. And then I got back and I was like, boom, lazy girl era in effect. I don't want to do anything. I want to just go back and travel. I literally just got back from this Pilates workout and my mood is boosted. I feel more ready, willing, and able to take on my day, which, I did do an afternoon class, but I still have so many hours of the day left. If you're not feeling it, just show up, right? I go through probably every other day where I'm having a mental battle of go to the gym. No, I don't want to go to the gym. My body doesn't feel it. No, go to the gym. Back and forth arguments with myself in my head. And every time I've shown up, whether I get the best workout in or my worst workout in, literally showing up and doing something to move your body. Even if you just stretch, move your body, show up, and it's gonna be a reward in and of itself. Create a routine for yourself. Schedule in your workouts. I find a lot of the times when I just like tell myself, yeah, I'm gonna work out tomorrow. You know how many times I've said that and I just don't because it's not planned and it's not scheduled. Be realistic with yourself. If you know your schedule for X amount of days in the week only allow you to squeeze in a 15 to 20 minute workout in the morning and you prefer morning workouts, do it. 1% increases daily will compound over time. I'm going to go and wash some dishes, catch up on a couple of little chores. I have dinner at 7:15 with one of my childhood best friends. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in so long. So I'm really excited to do dinner with her tonight. By the way, guys, just don't mind how crazy I look in this video. It's like, don't mind the hot mess that I am. Just like listen to the words I'm saying, you know? That's what matters here. Another thing I want to implement in regards to exiting the lazy girl era is going to be prayer and meditation. So whether that means you take 10 minutes to just meditate in silence, think of the things we need to do, get centered, get grounded, be in nature. Like I said earlier, as humans, we are 4-dimensional creatures, mind, body, spirit, and heart. I personally will be praying every single day, using prayer as a communication to God for me. So we need to focus on the spiritual aspect of our lives as well, growing my relationship with God. So that's going to be an important aspect in exiting my lazy girl era. I got, a couple chores done, put some laundry away, did the dishes. The plan with exiting our lazy girl era is checking the boxes on the things we need to get done every day. And today, my goal was to get the dishes done, put some laundry away. I got those things done. We're going to continue in the pattern of exiting our lazy girl era. I will make this a series, so organizing and getting our life back on track in that aspect will come in a future video. Guys, I'm like looking like a hot mess. I'm sorry. But in the meantime, I'm going to go get ready for dinner with my friend. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really appreciate everybody who has taken time out of their day to tune in and watch. Please subscribe to my channel. Please let me know if you enjoy this style of video, what other things you would like to see in the future from me. And in the meantime, I hope you all have an amazing day, a fabulous week, and I hope to see you in my next video.